Assalamu alaikum pre-9 class. Hope you are all fine. Subject computer science. Students, in the previous lecture we have studied about the problem solving steps and we have studied about that how can we define a problem by using the different strategies. Now today we are going to start our new topic, that is 1.1.2 understanding a problem, and it's on page number 3. It is important to understand the problem before jumping into the solution of the problem. For example, a riddle or a puzzle can be answered only after clear understanding. A clear understanding of a problem makes it easier to solve and helps to save money, time and resources. Students, it is significant to recognize that what is the actual problem before finding the correct answer or solution of the problem. Here we have an example of riddle and puzzle. They can be answered only after vibrant understanding. If you are sure that you have understand the problem very well, then it is very easy to find the solution and it will take less time, money and resources. Understanding of a problem usually includes identification of 5 W's: what, who, when, where and why. Problem analysis is the process to figure out these 5 W's from a problem statement. Problem analysis helps to understand a given problem. These are the basic elements which leads toward the solution of a given problem. Students, to recognize the problem, we have 5 W's which consist of what, who, when, where and why. Now we have the term problem analysis. Students, problem analysis is the term which we find the solution of the problem by using the 5 W's. Problem analysis investigate a situation or problem in order to allow the researcher to understand more fully the problem, in order to recommend practical solutions for solving it. For example, consider the following problem statement. Suppose your class teacher assigns you a task to prepare a list of students in your school whose names start with letter A. The list is required in order to prepare an alphabetical directory of all school students, and there is only 1 week to complete the task. We can analyze this problem by identifying 5 W's in the problem statement as given below. What? List of students' names starting with letter A. Who? Students. Why? To prepare the directory of students. When? Within a week. Where? School. Now students, here we have an example of the problem statement that your class teacher assigns you a task to prepare a list of students whose name starts with letter A. Now we can solve this problem by using the 5 W's, like what? What are you going to prepare? List of students, name starting with letter A. Who? Students. Why you are preparing this list? To prepare the directory of students. When do you have to finish this? Within a week. And where? In the school. By using these 5 W's, we can solve this problem statement very easily. Now students, in the figure 1.2, you can see different colors and different terms. Here you can see the explanation of the figure 1.2 shows the metaphorical representation of problem, where the red light presents a problem, the yellow light represents its analysis and the green light presents the solution. It shows that problem analysis makes us closer to a solution. Students, metaphorical representation means to indicate that you are not using words with their ordinary meaning but are describing something by means of an image or symbol. Like in the image, we see different colors like red, yellow and green. These are represented the different terms of problem. Like red light presents the problem, yellow light represents the analysis of the problem and green light presents the solution of the problem. So students, in this lecture we have learnt about that how can we understand a problem by using the 5 W's. Students, you have to learn the page number 3 of unit number 1. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.